Candy doesn't get itself.
Wow! Here, I'm gonna let Jordan come out.
Jordy!
Once you get your candy, make your way out.
We were wondering when you would get here.
We were waiting because everybody else said we couldn't go yet. There you go. Go.
Okay, guys, if you got your treat, get out of the fray.
Mom, look how much candy I got. Mom, look how much candy I got. Happy Halloween. Mom, look how much candy they gave me.
Holy moly. That's pretty good.
Is that Bacher in there?
Yeah.
Bacher!
There you go, buddy.
No ninjas get candy here.
Hi, Laura.
Too bad.